Let's learn how you can create a PlayStation account on your phone. So the first step is to open PC app. Then you want to click on sign in and it will lead you to this page. As you can see here, there is no create account option. So you want to click on about Sony account. And here you want to select your region. When you select it, just click on it and go to sign in again. Click on allow, and here you will get an option create an account. So you want to tap it, click on create again, and here you will just have to choose your country or region. So here you want to click on method of verifying your age, so you can just go to whatever. I will use my mobile phone. Now you'll get the verification code, so you want to wait for it and get the messages. Here is it. Click when you get your verification code, you want to click on verify. Now you can choose this to do later. I will do it later. So, and here you want to fill your sign-in email and your password. So let's just use something. Now go next. We have to finish the puzzle here. It's this one. Select the city and state. So we can go to when you fill that, click on next. Online ID. So just fill everything up and go next. So you can just click on agree and continue, and your account was successfully created. So now you can go back to your PC app and you can just fill in these options. And here we go. So here will be your account. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.